I've already had lunch, so let's have dessert. Let's see. I chose chocolate pudding cake. So the way you prepare it is you push all the cake down out of one end, carefully cut it open, away from the Velcro because you want to keep your Velcro for sticking it to the wall. Then grab your long spoon, because it's a long container, reach inside, chocolate pudding cake. Looks like it too. Not bad. Gonna be hard to eat. Gonna be messy. Very good. That'd be good with coffee. Here's a cup of coffee. Stick my straw in. Mix it up. Carefully open the straw in the mouth. Hot. But coffee. Chocolate cake and coffee. Food's not so bad.